Sugar apple, or Graviola, soursop, sweetsop, or anon, is an extremely beneficial fruit, and its addition to the diet will provide incredible health benefits. It comes from a fruit tree called Annona squamosa, a plant which is commonly grown in Annona. It is believed that it originates from the tropical Americas and West Indies. Its taste is between the one of coconut and pear, sweet, creamy, and delicious. Its knobby segments found on the skin can vary from pale green to blue-green color, and the color of the pulp can vary from milky white to light yellow. Note that its seeds, which are black and large, are not edible. A single fruit contains around 30 seeds, and its flesh is completely ripe, so you can easily open it with your hands. This fruit can be added to your smoothies, milkshakes, ice cream, and desserts. The sugar apple is extremely nutritious, as it is rich in vitamins, proteins, essential fiber, and minerals. These are the most important health benefits of this fruit. Prevents anemia. Low potassium levels in the body might lead to anemia, as the body does not produce sufficient amounts of blood cells. Sugar apples are high in iron and they prevent anemia. Supports heart health. Sugar apples are rich in vitamin B6, which prevents homocysteine buildup, which is an amino acid, which might accumulate in the blood. This vitamin reduces the risk of coronary heart disease and stroke related to this amino acid buildup. It is also high in magnesium, which lowers the risk of a heart attack, relaxes the cardiac muscles, and prevents overtiredness. The low levels of magnesium lead to heart diseases, and 100 grams of fresh sugar apples provide 10% of the daily magnesium needs. Maintains a healthy vision. Vitamin A in this fruit has potent antioxidant properties, and promotes a healthy vision, as it prevents cornea and retina from the harmful free radicals. Prevents asthma. Sugar apples are high in vitamin C and thus prevent asthma. This vitamin is a potent antioxidant and reduces the risk of developing this disease. They are also rich in vitamin B6, which prevents inflammation of the bronchial tube. The magnesium and potassium content relax the bronchial tubes and smooth esophagus muscle. These have a strong anti-inflammatory activity and protect against asthma. Regulates sugar levels. Sugar apples have 44% dietary fiber, which decelerates the absorption of sugar in the body, and thus prevent the development of diabetes type 2. Strengthen your bones. Magnesium is necessary for the strength of bones and the prevention of osteoporosis, and this fruit is high in it. It also activates vitamin D, which promotes calcium absorption by the bones. Maintain thyroid health. The thyroid gland regulates the important hormones, and this fruit, since it is rich in copper, balances the production of the thyroid hormone known as thyroxine. Copper aids the thyroxine production. Supports skin and hair health. Sugar apples are a rich source of vitamin D, which treats problematic skin, and it makes the hair healthy and voluminous. Prevents pregnancy issues. Sugar apples are extremely high in vitamin B, and vitamin B9, or folate, which is of high importance for conception and prevents neural tube problems for the baby.